Want Miles? Miles would be a good helper. Miles is generally a good helper. But I'm going to let Dane help. Right? Because Dane was supportive over there. As soon as I said Miles, he kind of gave me a pat on the side, like, yeah, you're a good helper, Miles. But no, I'm going to call in Dane. Dane! It says write an equation of the line shown. Dane, whenever it says write an equation, I'm going to do this. Y equals box x plus box. That's the information I need to find, right? And just fill that in. Now, Dane, they just gave us a graph with the line. Looking at this graph, is there any information that you could put into that equation? 3 for what? For the y-intercept. So tell me where that goes. Is it the first box or the second box? Second box. So I'm going to put 3 right here. And the way he found that is that's where the line crosses the y-axis. Done. That's the y-intercept. Right? An x of 0 gives me the y-intercept, 3. So I just plug it in. Now there's a piece of information, Ross, that I need, that I'm missing. What piece of information am I missing on this one? The slope. How do I normally find slope?
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
All right. So Ross says, you know what? Subtract the y's over subtracting the x's. Okay? So we can definitely do that. But they gave us a picture. Now hang on. I'm going to let Ross fill this in for me. Let's find out what the slope is using our formula. Ross, what do I put in here? All right, Ross says 3 minus 2 over... Wait. You went this way. You went 3 minus 2. You need to do 0 minus 4. Right. Like that, correct? So when I simplify that, what do I get on top, we'll see? 1. And what do I get on the bottom, we'll see? Negative 4, right? Okay. What do I do with negative signs in fractions, Will K?
You flip it?
No. What do I do with a negative sign in a fraction, please? Alex? I always put it on the top, right? Because that helps with my graphing. Okay? So I'm going to take it away from the bottom and just put it on top. I can do that with a fraction, right? So the slope is negative 1/4. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in here. Excellent job, Ross. You led us right to the slope. But guys, they gave us a picture, didn't they, Spencer? I'm going to start at this point. Spencer, what do I have to do to get to this point? I have to go down 1. I always do the rise first. So down 1, and then what? And then over 4. Good. I can also use the picture to find the slope. That would be okay. The slope or the picture. I mean the points, the slope formula or the picture gives me the slope. Now, guys, we don't write equations like this up here. Okay? How can I just write that so that it looks more like math to us? Can someone tell me? I'm sorry, I'm going to give us a little more room. How can I write that so it looks like math? Will R. Let's do that. We're going to rewrite it right here. Y equals negative 1 over 4 x plus 3. Beautiful. Done. That's the equation of that line. Now, it looks like I have some questions. We'll see. Did I mess something up?
No, I was wondering, how did you get to 3? Because
What is the y? Where does it cross the y? Does it cross it at 1?
well, I would think it'd be 2 though.
Well, wait, does it cross the y-axis at 2?
No.
Where does it cross the y-axis? At what number?
That was where the intercept is. So
The y-intercept. Where does it intercept the y-axis? At 3.
okay.
Excellent. Alberta.
If this was on the homework, would you accept it if you did no way?
If you just use the picture? Absolutely, that'd be fine. Uh-oh. Who's calling me? Taggart.
But on, you know how you said to put the negative sign on the top of the fraction?
Yeah.
But wouldn't that make it different? Like if it were negative 4 and then...
Good question. Would it make it different? Well, let's think about this. If I went, if I did 1 over negative 4, that means I need to go up 1, but back 4. Same line. Right? But we like to do it the same way every time. That's why I always put the negative on the top. So I know that I always run to the right. It just tells me go up or down. That's why I always put it on the top. Okay? All right. Good job, guys.